Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning subscribers, what's up? So you guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I reinstalled one of my wigs, and this wig that I am wearing is by LuvMe hair. So we're gonna see how this do. But anyways, you guys, I washed and blow dried my hair, and I went ahead and just braided it in some braids, going straight back. I didn't care how I parted it or anything like that. I just, braided it all up. So a little side note, as I was putting my ball cap on, doing my thing, I started off doing this one way using a certain method, and I kind of didn't like that method, so I ended up going back to the method that I normally do. So you guys are going to see that right here, I guess. So yeah, I started off using the glue because I saw it like on Instagram, and I was like, oh yeah, let me try that. But as I was doing it, I was like, let's just go back to our normal methods. So I normally use Got to Be, spray the front. I'm gonna end up showing you guys how I do it in another video. So like the whole time I was filming this video, I was thinking in my head like, I hope this kind of works. I hope this method works. Let's see what I'm doing. But anyways, try something new. I don't know if I would use this method again, but I'll show y'all how I normally do it, like I said, in another video. So you guys, I was sitting here thinking to myself how it just takes major guts to be able to sit and film yourself doing a YouTube video or anything, and then just putting it out for millions of people to see. Like, that is crazy. So like, I low-key be like crazed out because I'm one of those people that actually has the guts to put their stuff out. Like, that's crazy. And to like hope for the best and hope like that somebody latches on, somebody likes what I got going on or something like that. I don't know. So I don't know, I was just sitting here thinking about that, but that's crazy. I be watching so many YouTube videos and other creators, and I'm just like, man, like, these people really got like guts to be vlogging like a whole week, like you letting people know like your life and what you got going on, and really letting people like me in. Like, that's crazy. I don't know. So I thought that was really cool. As I was sitting here, just watching my own video and doing this voiceover for you guys, I was just like, dang, like, man, even though I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to show y'all how I'm, making a way out of no way, how God's got my back. No, but for real though, y'all, I thought that the method that I was using wasn't gonna really work out, and I was gonna have to start all over. But looking at the way I got this wig on, okay, looks like it's, it came together well. But this is how I go ahead and suit my little baby hairs, so we just gonna go ahead and get those percolating in their rightful places, okay. Dacia's coming in with the swoop, okay. And then I went ahead and ran that hot comb over it, you guys. And if you are still here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, and that little bell down at the bottom while I throw on my chapstick right here, because I never want my lips to be crusty for y'all, But no, y'all, like, for real, this LuvMe hair is cute. I like it. I like the lace. It is very transparent, okay. I wish I had the box, but I actually, I got this wig before I went to Florida, and I don't know, I had to throw that box to the wayside. It was just a wig that could only travel at the time. But anyways, so yeah, this hair is cute. It straightens very well. I didn't have to dye the lace or anything like that, so it is, I would say, worth the buck. It's worth the buck. Yes, y'all. Look. So at this point, I do think that I like doing hair reviews for you guys. So I think that I am going to continue to do wig installations on this channel and showing you guys how we come up with this, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye for now.